In this video, we are going to learn how to install Prometheus in EC2 instance in AWS Cloud. Prometheus is a monitoring and alerting system. Yeah, it's open source, so we can use it free. Okay, jump to this part. Okay, before we go, there are some requirement. Yeah, some requirement need to be prepared. Okay, because I'm using EC2 instance in AWS Cloud, yeah, so I use instance with the type T2 medium. Okay, this is for the first, and the second is I'm using Ubuntu 2020, and the third one is Prometheus. We will use Prometheus 24.5.1. Okay, the first step is how to install Prometheus. Okay, the first step is we should log into the server by using SSH. I already logged into the server, yeah. Okay, so we will install the Prometheus in the under the home Ubuntu folder. So we need to create the folder first. Okay, make dir Prometheus. Oops. Okay, enter to the folder. Okay, the next step is open the Prometheus official website. We need to find the installer first, yeah. Okay, see the LTS. LTS means that long term support, yeah. So we have to choose this, yeah, instead of the top this. Okay. Okay, we just to copy the link. We will download the source, Prometheus source, from the terminal, yeah, instead of download from the browser. Okay. Okay, back to the server. So we will download the Prometheus source by using the wget command, yeah. Just copy this and paste to the server. Okay, then extract the file by using this command, yeah. Okay, once the file is extracted, yeah, you will see the new folder here. Enter to the folder, and okay, there are some file and folders, yeah. Okay, so there are some important files, yeah. The first one is Prometheus. This one is executable file, yeah, to run the Prometheus software, and the second one is Prometheus YML. That's the Prometheus configuration, yeah. Okay, how to run the Prometheus? Just run by this command, yeah, /Prometheus. Oops. Okay, the Prometheus is started. Okay, with the address 000 and the port is 1990. So okay, by default Prometheus is running on the port 1990, yeah. So if you want to change the port or customize the Prometheus, you can read this link, yeah. For example, if you want to change the port, Okay, you can use these flags. Sorry, this one. Okay, web.distance dash address, and then set your port. Okay, but I'm going to use the default port. Okay, in here. So you can next continue the step. We can open the Prometheus from the browser. Okay, by this URL, your public IP and the port. Okay, because I'm using AWS cloud. Okay, I need to add this port in inbound rules first, yeah. Okay, security and security group. Okay, edit inbound rules at 1990, source from everywhere, anywhere, save the rules. Okay, so back to the instance, I have public IP. Okay, and open on the browser with 1990. Okay, this is the Prometheus dashboard. Yeah. Okay, back to the tutorial here. Okay. Previously we have run the Prometheus by using this command, yeah. Prometheus. This is not a good way, yeah, because when the server is start, okay, the Prometheus will be stopped, yeah. Okay, the better way is using the daemon, yeah, for Prometheus. So the Prometheus will be running in the background, yeah, and can start automatically, yeah, when the server is restart. Okay, so the first is create the Prometheus.service. Okay, stop the Prometheus first. Create the Prometheus service. Enter. Okay, start. This one is execute the Prometheus file. Okay, and then config file. This is the Prometheus configuration. We have to load this start and the config file. Okay, and also the storage tsdb. That means the Prometheus database, where is Prometheus database stored. Okay, in the data folder. Okay, save. Sorry. Oh, because I'm not using sudo. Okay. Okay, sudo, and then copy this. Okay, and save, and reload the daemon. Okay, after that we can start the Prometheus service by this command, yeah, start prometheus.service, and okay, like this. And the second one is use run the command this. Okay, this is for creating the symlink, yeah, to run the Prometheus automatically when the server is restart. Okay, so we can check the Prometheus status by using systemctl status. Is it already running or not? Okay, already active. Okay, and check the Prometheus. Open the Prometheus on the browser again. that's all the step to install Prometheus. Yeah, if you have any question, you can drop the comment. Thanks for watching this video.